Hello everyone and welcome back to our beginner English course. This is lesson 9. Today we will learn some very important English words. Family members. Family is very important and these words are used every day. Today we will learn some common family words. We will practice pronunciation and spelling. At the end, we will make some simple sentences. Let's begin. This is mother. Repeat after me. Mother, mother. Now, let's spell it together. M O T H E R. Mother, mother. This is father. Repeat after me. Father. Let's spell it together. F A T H E R. Father. This is sister. Repeat after me. Sister. Now spelling. S I S T E R. Sister. This is brother. Repeat after me. Brother. Now let's spell it. B R O T H E R. Brother. Well done. When we talk about mother and father together, we say parents. Repeat after me. Parents. Now the spelling. P A R E N T S. Parents. Parents. All the people in your home together are called family. Repeat after me. Family. Now spelling. F A M I L Y. Family. Family. Now let's practice together. Listen and repeat. Mother, father, sister, brother, parents, family. Well done. You're doing very well. Let's continue. Now, let's make a simple sentence. Repeat after me. This is my mother. Again, this is my mother. Well done. Repeat after me. This is my father. Again, this is my father. Very good. Repeat after me. This is my brother. Again, this is my brother. Good job. This is an example family. This is the mother. This is the father. This is the sister. This is the brother. Now, I have a question for you. Who is in your family? You can write in the comments. For example, I have a mother and a father. Or I have one sister. Today we learned family member vocabulary. Mother, father, sister, brother, parents, and family. Practice these words every day. If you want to continue learning English step by step, watch the next lesson in the playlist. Next time, we'll continue with numbers from 11 to 20. Thank you for watching and see you in the next lesson. Bye.